But I like this. Ooh, it's poking. It's cold as hell. It's got the KP. I already gave her a name, but she need an ID. At the mall in Kings Plaza. I haven't been here in so long. We had to pick up, well, Cece's picking up something. Bestie's picking up something here. And then it's right here. Yeah, so we only came here to go to 3 stores. That's what we picked up at, and Primark, of course. This is one of my favorite murals in the city. Favorite. No, I have to pull up. In Primark one time. Oh, they have the black one right here. I just want something for now. I like this color. They have this and they have the front one. I get both. It's $4. I wanted a hat, but I don't see no hat that I like. Those are not thick enough for me. They're not thick enough. I was like, I'm gonna get the gray one for now. Nah, not this gray, too dark, too light. Oh, look, they have this one. Just to hold me until I get to order my stuff. I love these sweats and I don't have my size. I want to cry. So I saw this fur coat that I love. When I walked in, I saw this fur coat that I saw this fur coat that I love. So I'm trying to decide, should I get it? Yeah, I think I'm gonna get it too. I'm gonna go out for New Year's Eve, so it's gonna be perfect. The short one, I have the long one. I think, should I get the short one or the long one? I'm gonna get long because it's gonna be cold. And I'm gonna wear a skirt. Yeah, I'm gonna get long. I love how it looks on me. I love it. You got a black one? I was trying to decide, should I get the short one or the long one, but it's gonna be cold, so I'm gonna stick to the long. Yeah. I love how it fits. Yeah, for $50? It smells okay. This is some gingerbread. And the apple. This smells like nothing. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's my.
I bought one yesterday. I really like it for the holidays.
Yeah, I like that one. Twisted. Let me see this one. This one smells really good. Twisted peppermint. Yeah, I like this one. Okay, so let's do these two. One's okay. It's a berry wonder. I ordered this, but I'm not too sure about it. Thank God I came here because I don't like how these smelling.
And on the tray. Yeah, on the tray.
Strawberry snowflake. I'm liking these scents. I know this smells good. I love this scent. This scent, 1,000. I will forever love this scent. This is my favorite scent ever. I love this scent. I love this scent. What is this? Where does it belong? I don't know. Alright, one more. I feel like Japanese serving 1,000 wishes. I need one. I'm gonna get this too. So I had a pickup order. I ordered from Bath & Body from Thursday. And I get here and they canceled my order like an hour ago. So, but they honored it though. So I got to pick up my stuff. Yeah, I got it for the same price. My 2 candles and my sprays. And they didn't have my Japanese cherry blossom candle, but I guess now I'm gonna go home. What dollar button?
The next day.
Welcome people, welcome back to my channel. I went to King's Plaza and I'm like, okay, let me just go to Primark. That's what they have real quick. I just went to King's Plaza to pick up this. I went to King's Plaza to pick up this because I bought this stuff around Black Friday also. And I went to go pick this up. The ones that I initially ordered, they didn't smell good. I don't like the way they smell. And I'm like, wow, you see how? That's God, because if I had got them and not liked them, then what? Like, you know? So I'm glad I got there. I'm glad I got to choose different ones for the same price. They was all on sale for $3.95, $4.95. So yeah. So we about to do this little haul. Primark and Bath & Body Works. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'll do this one first. I'll do the Bath & Body first. It's not a lot of stuff. So the Bath & Body, I got this one, Champagne Toast. Champagne Toast. Love, love, love the scent. Like, oh my God. I love this one. This is one of my favorite ones. I recently, not too recently, like a year or two ago, found out about it because my stepmom had it. And no, that's not one she had. She had another. I think it's the other one she has. But this one smells so good too. The Japanese cherry blossom, of course. This is like vintage, classic, everything. Like, if you know, you know. Like, this is one of their best-selling ones. Like, everybody know that. Like, everybody. I don't know if everybody wear it, but everybody know Japanese cherry blossom it's a hit. Like, everybody know that. Even I didn't know they have it in candles, so I tried to order the candle online, and when I got there, it was sold out. So I had to choose another candle. I was so mad. Oh my God. Oh my God, I love this scent. This is literally my favorite scent from Bath & Body. Like, Japanese cherry blossom. This is my favorite scent from them. But you know, it's not like back in the day. Like, back in the day, The bottle was different. Everything was different. I don't know if I wouldn't say the scent probably changed, but it smelled the same to me. People said it changed, but it smelled the same to me. I don't know. It smells fine to me. Yeah, so this is the one that my stepmother had. And I smelled it on her and I'm like, that shit smells so good. So 1,000 Wishes. Yeah, this one. They all smell. Oh, they all smell so good. Like, the thing is, I've never read the notes on them to see what they have in them. But this one says pink Prosecco. Like, what? Pink Prosecco, sparkling quince, crystal peonies. Peonies, that's a flower, right? Peonies, gild amber, and amaretto cream. This sounds like a whole drink. This is like a freaking drink. Cause first of all, anything with amber scent in it smells so good. Even the central amber, something like that it's called, or that they have. Oh my god, this, and I feel like anything with amber just smells awesome. Like, this smells the bomb to me. This one has, I didn't look at it, so let me check the notes now. So this one has bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. Okay, this smells good. They all smell good. I'm content with my purchases. Okay, and then I've never read the one with Japanese cherry blossom. So Japanese cherry blossom notes, of course, Japanese cherry blossom, Asian pear, fresh mimosa petals, white jasmine, blushing sandalwood. Okay, so I know of white jasmine. I don't know white jasmine smell good. Listen, whoever be doing these things, whoever be putting these scents together, know what they're doing, okay? Because these three are a hit. Like 1,000 Wishes, Japanese cherry blossom, and champagne toast. These three right here are a freaking hit, okay? Like, if you don't have one of these in your house, if you don't have one of these, like, what are you doing? Like, that's it for those. I have some candles too. Only bought 3 sprays. I have some candles too. Oh yeah, I have the receipt in here. Okay, so what's the $3.95? So the sprays was, they all was $5.95. Yeah. So each of them, the sprays and the candles I'm about to show around, all was $5.95. So, all right, so this, I bought this for Christmas, you know, smell of my apartment for Christmas. So this is the Twisted Peppermint. It smells so good. Oh my god, it smells the peppermint. It smells so freaking good. Like, it smells so good. Just to have your house smell like peppermint. But I forgot the flavors that I got in there. I forgot the scents that they have in it. The scent doesn't show in here. The prices for the sprays originally be like $16.50 or $15.50, but like around $16.50 around there. And this also is $15.50. So for me to get all of them for $5.95, that's a steal. I love that for me. All right. Oh, this is from my best friend's mom. So yeah, in the candle now, I got the champagne toast candle. Yeah, so I had to get the champagne toast candle. Champagne toast. Because they didn't have the freaking Japanese cherry blossom. And oh my god. This could eat. Like, there's people out there that eat candles. Like, I'm not saying, I don't know if it's good for y'all. I'm not saying it's good for y'all, but listen. Eat this. This could eat. Yo, the way this smells right now, you could just get a spoon and start eating. Like, this could eat. This is like a freaking cake batter. This is cake batter. This smells so good. Primark. I'm about to do Primark right now. They gave me this big bag because I have something big in there. Like something, you know. It's nice though. I'm not gonna lie. It's nice. Okay. It was nice. So, what I got? Oh, I did order something from Abercrombie. Oh, so I do have this one. I don't know where. Let's see. I don't know, I ain't holding no power phone. All right, so I got this bag, this little bag. I just feel like I could put my makeup stuff in there, or like even just little stuff that I'm like, if I'm traveling, I just put it in there, like my edge brush, my lash glue, mascara, whatever I could put in there, you know, just a little makeup bag, or like little use it for anything basically. Put your little sanitary napkins in there, whatever. I just like it because it was cute. So yeah, that I paid $8 for. And then I bought this little tam. This was $6. It's a little hat I need for the winter. I just need winter hats, so you know, add to my collection, different colors and stuff, you know, because you can never have so much hats, especially when it comes to winter. Listen. And then I got this t-shirt to wear. It's like just cause I just get it just cause it's just like comfy t-shirt with Minnie on there. I mean with Mickey on there. And like, y'all know green my color. So yeah. Then I got these sweats. These sweats, they said Mercy on them. As y'all saw in the clips before, I was trying to find the one I really wanted, which was the yellow one, the mustard yellow one. They didn't have my freaking size, so I just settled for this one. I don't really have anything brown, no sweats or anything. So, and this was, I don't really know, the price not even on here. Price not on here. What's going on? I'll have the receipt somewhere there, but the price not on there. So yeah, but it's just some sweats, some comfy sweats to put on. Like I said, the time's getting cold. Gotta get some comfy clothes. Clothes make sure you're warm, you know. So yeah, this is added to my collection. And then lastly, I just got some earrings. Some light earrings because these earrings are pulling my ear down, and I'm not about to be without freaking earrings and bust. I'm not trying to bust my ear a little bit and be without earrings. So these, they seem light, but they don't feel light right now. I don't know. It was $2.50, and I said, yeah, let me just get some more earrings. Just got some little mouth spray. So you could throw in your purse, though, like, you know, just throw in your purses. That's that. Just a little, whatever. So it wasn't much. It's not really a haul. I just bought some stuff that I saw that I liked. Eventually, I'm gonna do like a regular. I'm gonna do a Primark haul, like when I feel like I need to go to Primark again. I'm not about to go there just cause. But I feel like I need to go there again, rip on some stuff. I'll go there and do a full haul. And then last but not least, I bought this. Look at this baby. Oh yeah, I saw in the video when I was looking at it. Like, look at her. Look at her. Feels so soft. So I bought this so I could wear it to the city. Yeah, I bought this for me to wear to the city around Christmas time. But hopefully I even go to the damn city with it. So this is a medium, and I tried it on in the store and it fit me. A small would have fit too, but this is good. This size is really good. I'm trying to show you a full length of it because I'm not getting up. I'm sorry. I'm trying to show you a full length of it. Make sure I don't touch the ground because it's cream. But this is it. This is so soft. It's so freaking soft. I should show y'all how it look on me, right? Let me show y'all what it look like, because that's the last thing in the bag. So might as well. It is so freaking soft. It is so soft. I'm short, so it fits. It fits the length that it needs to fit. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all what this look like. Let's pull a little Kim. Oh. Oh wait. But this is so soft. Y'all gotta see how soft this is. Look how soft this is. Y'all see that? You gotta see how soft it is. It is so soft. I mean, you can see. Look. It's so soft. Yes. I like this purchase, baby. And guess how much I paid? $50. $50 I paid for this. Look how it is. Look how it is. But I like this. Ooh, it's poking. But y'all see this though? I could see me in the city for the holidays in this. Or this wherever, but I bought it specifically for the city. When I go. Look at this. I don't want to take this off. I have to get a color. Easy to get dirty. But I really don't want to take this off. What's not to love on this? So, come on. What's not to love on this? This is everything. Everything. Look how this look. Let's look how this I look. My God. $50 I paid for this, right? I think it was $50. What a receipt. Yeah, it's Primark. As far as Bath and Body. Where's my Primark receipt? Oh, alright. Let's check the Primark receipt. So, how many is McDonald's? So I don't have the Primark receipt, but it should be in the clips before this. It's $50. So, yeah. Loving it. Yeah, I don't know how I didn't see the price before, but it was here the whole time, that tag. And these colors to go together too. I gotta get something green. Oh, I'm gonna get me a green sweater dress. This color to wear under. Y'all see it? This color under here looks like. Let me try. Look at this color under here. Period. Period. I'm feeling like Puffy. Back in 99 or 90, whatever. Feeling like Puffy. So, like I said, I'll do another Primark video. I'll just go back when I really need stuff from there and do a full Primark haul. But I'm loving the price for this. I'm loving this. The quality is nice. I love how soft it is. It feels warm. I wish the interior, like this part right here, was a bit thicker. Obviously, I don't expect this to be inside, but you know, maybe they should start making that with the inside. Like, come on. Because even though sometimes you have on these coats, you be cold still. And then, like you say, it has 2 pockets. First one, second one. But yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm glad. I'm happy with this purchase. I was really like hesitating to get it, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get it because I don't have no long teddy. I don't have no long fur coat. I have a long teddy coat, but that's different. I want a fur. I feel like I'm in New York. Why not? So I got it. Shopping bucket. That's it for the haul. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe, please. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.